Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about how to work with a test runner in Cypress. And also we are going to discussing about in this video what is a project structure for the Cypress. Okay, in these two topics we are going to discussing now. Okay, first we need to open a Visual Studio Code, and that in that folder we need to where we installed Cypress in my previous video, that we need to open. Okay, now I'm going already I've opened here. Okay, then we need to use it here. There is a command for npx cypress open. Okay, till the date we have there are three components. One is node underscore modules, one is package lock.json, and package.json is there. Okay, now I'm going to use for npx space cypress, and I'm going to use for open command. Just have a enter, then you can able to see there is a icon for Cypress. Okay, now you can able to see there are two components it is provided. We can able to choose any one of them, and we can able to implement. Okay, and I'm going to choose for component testing, and we need to provide the pick the framework, just front end, what type of you are using, Angular or Next, what kind of thing you are going to do. If you use a component, which component we are going to do. Okay, but if you use this one, then it is very difficult to do it. Okay, for that I'm going to choose for end to end is the best practice to choose here. Now you can able to choose for all the things, no problem. Now you can able to see here Cypress. Cypress is provide there are two folders inside the Cypress. A new folder came, and features, and also supporting. Okay, after that you can able to see there is another file it is presented for cypress.config.js file. If you click, it is a default for Cypress things requirement. Okay, now these are two things it is added. Now again I'm going to see, and here external thing is Firefox is added because our like we install Cypress 12.2.0. Due to that, what will happen? It is by default a newly updated framework browser. It is Firefox. They are integrating for all related browsers which all the market is presented. Those things they are integrating. Daily base or weekly base you will get for one new update for this Cypress. Okay. If you see my previous videos for introduction or features, there it I provided for there are three browsers: Chrome, Edge, Electro. Okay, but Firefox is not mentioned. Now they are newly added for this one. Okay, Electro is basically default browser for Cypress. Now choosing for Chrome as a default one, you can able to see here, and you can able to choose a create new empty epic, or you can able to already created epic. Now I'm going to take for example one, and okay, got it. But then once you choose this one, you can able to come to your project structure, and you can able to see there are two folders it is provided. One is download, and another one is E2E. E2E again having the two folders. One is getting start or advanced examples. It is if you click this one, it will provide for a demo coding what are the things we need to write. Okay, how it is there and how we can able to get it. Like that, it will provide for all related stuff. Okay, see all the stuff it is presented inside a to-do place. Everything it is presented. The code is a default sample code it is presented. We can able to use the code, or else we can able to create a new a folder, or else existing folder also we can able to use it. Okay, once we saw this one, you can able to come here. Till the date we saw about a project structure, how it is presented, and how we can able to run our Cypress, like opening that Cypress one. And now we are going to run our Cypress code. If you click this one, it will open one epic and it will give you that all the steps execution here. This is our test runner. Okay, this is all about for test runner, and this is for execution place. And also here you can able to see how many steps it is passed and how many fail, how many skip, and this is one reloading. All the test cases we need to run one more time. Okay, this for our inspecting for XPath, and also we can able to do it for inspecting the element by default here. Developer tools inspect. We can able to inspect directly here, and we can able to achieve. Whenever you run something, you modified something, then you can able to get immediately reload this application. Even you can able to see here. Now I'm going to, and here we can something we can able to change, and we can able to title. Now it title is there, can delete all the complete tasks. Now you can able to see there is a can delete all completed tasks, and also I'm adding for iPhone QA. I'm adding for it. Now till the date I'm not done. Now you can see it is not loaded. Now even I'm not save. Now I'm going to do for control save. Even you can able to see all execution again it is started. Even I'm not executed anything, but still it is loading for default. This is the option it is presented for Cypress. Even you can able to see here iPhone QA. It is comes here, right? These are main advantage. Another advantage is like time travel. Like all the steps we can able to see what are the things it is executed, what are the things it is compared. Each and every step we can able to verify. Okay, and also in case if you buy that what we can say dashboard, even that time we can able to see for screenshots and also UI like a video. That video also we can able to see in that particular location. Each and every step it will run, and again it will provide for steps one by one for in the video session also. Okay, this all about for project structure about Cypress and how to run your test runner. Okay, and next video we will see for how to create your first test case. Those things we'll see into a later video session. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.